Do you suffer from joint pain, stiffness, or discomfort? Are you looking for natural ways to rebuild and restore your cartilage to experience lasting relief? In this video, we'll explore effective, all-natural strategies to help regenerate your cartilage and support joint health, without relying on harsh medications or invasive surgeries. Cartilage is the cushion between your joints that absorbs impact and allows smooth movement. Over time, injury, aging, and wear and tear can break down this vital tissue, leading to discomfort, inflammation, and pain. But here's the good news. Your body has an incredible ability to heal itself, and with the right diet, supplements, and lifestyle changes, you can support this process and give your joints the relief they need. Let's start with food. Did you know that the right nutrients can promote cartilage regeneration? Incorporating foods rich in collagen, omega-3 fatty acids, and antioxidants, your warriors against harmful toxins, is key to helping your joints heal. Load up on fish, berries, leafy greens, and bone broth. These superfoods can reduce inflammation and stimulate your body's natural cartilage repair mechanisms. Did you know with uncontrolled inflammations, germs, viruses and toxins are not controlled and they keep damaging your joints and cartilage, worsening the condition? Next, let's talk about supplements that can support joint health. Glucosamine, chondroitin, and MSM are well known for their ability to rebuild cartilage and protect joints. Turmeric, with its powerful anti-inflammatory properties, can also provide relief. To accelerate the anti-inflammatory production, add vitamin C and extra vitamin B5. With controlled inflammation, your joints can now be rebuilt and regenerated with the correct supply of nutrients. In addition to diet and supplements, low-impact exercise is crucial. Activities like swimming, cycling, and yoga help increase flexibility and strengthen the muscles surrounding your joints without adding strain. Remember, consistent self-care is the key to long-term relief. By nourishing your body with the right nutrients, supplements, and movement, you can promote cartilage regeneration and enjoy a life free from joint pain.